Creating views is a core concept of successfully using SOLIDWORKS Composer. Views capture all properties of the actors in the viewport: actor position, color, visibility, render mode, camera position, and many more. But sometimes you do not want to capture everything, you only want to capture the camera's location. This can be done using a camera view, which means if you move or rotate to change something, you can double click or drag this view into the viewport to get back to your saved orientation without losing the changes that you have made in terms of the actors. Separate to the camera orientation, what about the location or state of a certain part, or even the viewport settings? What if we want to save just this information to a view and can therefore use it over and over again without affecting other parts? Enter custom views. Unlike regular and camera views that can be done using the icons on the Views tab, custom views are created using the Views workshop, which can be turned on through the Workshop tab in the ribbon and selecting Views. Like many workshops, the top section of this one is the profile, which means if we keep using the workshop and keep having to reselect the same options, we are able to simply save those options for a later date. You can see there are 7 main tick boxes, including another way to create a camera view and also have it zoom in to fit all actors while using the same camera orientation. You can reuse digger options, save out BOM descriptions to use in other views, and the general one called actors, which gives us the flexibility to pretty much do anything. I will come back to this one later. To make it easy to see the custom views and what they do, I'll start off making a viewport custom view. First I will select the viewport option and no other options and hit create on the workshop. I will call this new view white background. I will then change the background color and foot color to dark grey and hit create again and rename this new view dark grey background. I then change the background to a lighter grey, create another view and rename it light grey background. If I then go to any of my other views, I can change the background by simply dragging in one of these custom views. I'll choose the light grey option and then update it to save my view. The viewport example is a very simple one, but you can get very complex and very useful custom views from this workshop. One example I used in this project when I was making it was for BOMs. So this part here with quantity 5 has a BOM ID of 4 in the full BOM, but 16 in the BOM without the fasteners. If I go to the step 2 of the assembly steps, the BOM ID is set to 4. This means this view was made from the full BOM view. However, what if I want the BOM IDs to be taken from the other view? Well, I could recreate the view from the BOM-hardware view, or I could try and use the update with selected actors option. By far the easiest option is to create a custom view that saves just the BOM IDs from the BOM-hardware view. To do this, activate the view, select all the parts in the BOM table, and in the Views workshop select Actors, Selection, Custom, and Selected Properties. Then select on the BOM ID property in the Properties pane and select Create in the Views workshop. Rename the created view appropriately, and now I can go to the step 2 view again and drag in this new custom view. See, the BOM IDs are now changed to reflect the correct BOM. Custom views are a great way of getting you out of sticky points like this, as well as making things a lot faster and easier, and go hand in hand with styles to make things more consistent.